Hello everyone, Aki here again. So today I'm gonna be implementing the free brush thrower. I've still been working on that. It's been a while, like 2 weeks or something. Meanwhile, I've been doing a lot of editor collab. Actually, I'm right now basically rewriting the entire server. So that's kind of yeah. This mod has kind of gone to like the background. But yeah, now I I think yeah, I can now okay, let's just start. So first of all, there's this bug, like a few people report this actually, like when you first place the first 2 points, but without uh let's say without putting any amount of object you finalize, it just crashes. So let's just start with actually fixing that. I think it's basically where's it? Yeah, this one. Can update line. Like, that's the issue, actually. I need to move this from here to here, I think. Let me see. Yeah, yes, it tries to update the line without actually having any amount of objects. That's why it fails, since there are no 4 points, but only 2 points. Uh, I think okay, I actually did change the mod JSON. Actually, let me just talk about what to do in this. So, uh, like if we try to implement free draw, like with, for example, taking a single point every frame, let's say, there will be lots of points, and that means there will be lots of objects as well, which is bad. Since most of them will actually be like something like this instead of uh it's like something like this. Like, you could actually approximate this but with just just one object, but yeah, since there are tons of points, we need to use an approximation for that. And after I searched about this problem, if that's I found about this algorithm, which is basically decimating the unnecessary points from a curve based on a threshold value, which means it removes if all these points. But for example, if there was a point further away, like there's the threshold is something like this, a rectangle around the, and let's just have a smaller opacity. Okay, like something like this, let's say. And let's say we have points here, 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 I don't know, somewhere. Like uh, all of the points inside this rectangle will basically get removed, but the ones outside would not get removed, and a line would be created from those. And we would recursively redo that and make another triangle, not triangle, rectangle from this, and point so on. Like this GIF does actually show that kind of. uh yeah it, I mean, I'm probably gonna add this link as well, so uh and this one, I also found this one, but I don't think this is actually what I need, because this also talks about converting the polylines into curve, I think, like a Bezier curve, but that's not really what I need. So yeah, I actually didn't read it that much. But yeah, this is exactly what, not actually not exactly, but yeah, this is mostly what I need. Uh, I'll probably first implement it without using this algorithm to see to show you what's the problem with it, and then I'll implement this problem. I don't think I will need this curve optimizer for that one, because this is just another optimization we thought like that's not kind of unrelated to this one that I built. Okay, I can just show it to you then. Okay, yeah, this basically well, not exactly, but I mean it doesn't crash now, but like okay. Uh, what did I think I missed something. I think it's just removing these, like not that, but points instead. Okay, because it tried to just use the previous points without actually clearing those. Uh, yeah, okay, now it's fixed. Okay. Uh, oops. Okay, so first of all, I did some initial implementation without any optimization. Also, yeah, this class is kind of misnamed because it just converts the like points into rectangles and circles. So yeah, I'm also using it here. And this part is basically entirely copied from curved brush drawer. So that's probably gonna move into a common utility, like some kind of editor utility. But yeah, for now this is kind of fine, which also means I can actually show the problem if it works status. I actually haven't tested it. Uh, 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 yeah, oops, it's not working. Hmm, wonder why though. Uh, let's see. Okay, so I have an even weirder issue. So yeah, I just forgot to actually update the overlays and stuff. But it, I'll just show it to you. Like, uh, it's just very weird. I don't get why. And also it crashes trying to generate the objects. Uh, yeah, like there's also like gaps, even though there really shouldn't be gaps, which is really weird. I don't know if I should actually implement the algorithm now and like look at the issue later or fix that now. And I think I'm just gonna try fixing it first. Okay, I'll come back if I manage to do something. Okay, so I did figure out the issue, which was basically I forgot to check the collinear case in like uh, extending the rectangle. So let's just say, for example, our 3 points were collinear. Like when it was trying to actually calculate the rectangle, let's say these two rectangles, these two rectangles, it was trying to find the intersection of these two lines, which since they are collinear, there are infinite solutions to this problem, which did give NaN, not a number, as a result, which meant that it just broke all of the other calculations using those values. So yeah, I just now check the collinearity and like if they are not collinear, extend them. Since if they are collinear, they will already be aligned anyway. So now it does work. Did I build it? Yeah, now it does actually work, kind of. But like the issue with this is basically, yeah, that is the issue. It uses a lot of objects. So we need to basically actually like optimize that and remove unnecessary points from the line. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and yeah, basically just implement this. It has a pseudocode here. I'm just gonna like convert that to C++, and yeah, we'll see how is the performance of that. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit, I suppose. Okay, sorry, it's been a while. But oh my god, it works so well. Okay, so let me just explain it to you. Like, so there's basically a threshold value, which is the epsilon value in the algorithm. Yeah, this epsilon value. And so basically, I add the points, and like every time I add a point, I try to simplify it using this algorithm, which is basically iterating for 2 points and getting the furthest point. And yeah, this is basically what that does to get the perpendicular distance between 2 points and p check. Yeah, yeah, it's uh, I didn't. I mean, I really don't think I should explain this, but because I mean, Copilot gave me this and it works. So, like, it's just the dot product of the distance, not the distance, but the like difference between the 2 points, and divide by the square distance, and that gives the projection like a percentage, let's say, like which percentage it is between point one and point two, and then just gets the distance from that. And yeah, like I get the max distance, and like if it's smaller than the threshold, I just put the first and the last point. Otherwise, I like recursively the simplify it using the like maximum points. And yeah, it okay, I'll show it to you, but it works so well. Okay, this is what it produced with like threshold 0.4, like an entire alphabet with just 307 objects. That's actually so cool. Like, let me like I don't know, uh like that is 125 objects. Like you can kind of see the optimization it's doing if you look enough, and that's 600 objects. Like that's actually very good. Well, not for this, but for this. Like it's so cool. I don't know. Like is that just me? Like I actually feel like now doing the UI, because like the threshold value of this is actually kind of important. Like I just selected some threshold value that kind of works. But yeah, like if I go slowly, you can actually notice the changes, like how it's optimizing 54 objects. But yeah, I'll I'll see. I still don't know. Like I need time to figure this out. Like I also want to work on Abstract Collab today, and it's already 5 p.m. And but I don't really want to release it without actually having these like adjustable now. I don't know. Like I'll I'll come back when I think about this. Okay, so after some checking, I've actually decided to like implement a simple like not that simple, but UI, like redo some of the UI as well, like, and like instead just moving it to like here as like a new tab, and there would be like the line, the brush, and the like curve, and that line, for example, line color, line thickness, and like let's say, I don't know, like, and the other like threshold values and stuff. So yeah, I first I design those icons, and I'll come back after I do that. Okay, I'll see you more than soon. Okay, so I've actually decided to like the recreating the UI in this video as well. And yeah, this is taking some. It's taking its sweet time. Okay. I just remembered I need to add a pen icon as well. But other than that, and oh wait, and also a finalize icon. Okay. And but other than those ones, yeah, these are the current icons that I have. So I'll redo those, not redo, but do those and come back again. It shouldn't take that long, I hope. Okay, I'm back again with the new buttons, basic the pan and the finalize, and I've also made a support pop-up. This one. So I have a Ko-fi, which I will probably put in the description. So I would appreciate if you supported me, and yeah, I'll implement all of these into an edit button pop-up. Like also, yeah, also support better edit as well. Uh, like here, all of those buttons, the ones I made icons for, and also like how what should I say? Yeah, that's basically it. And also a glove for the gift button. That's also copied from gloves, and yeah, support gloves as well. I'll come back after I like start implementing, and if there's something good to like tell you about. So I have not done a single UI code, but I did clean up this, like moved basically the entire drawing stuff into the base brush drawer class, and the other drawers just use those like by like and rename that curve optimizer to polyline converter, because that's basically what it does. Takes in a polyline and converts it to like a list of rectangles and circles. So yeah, and also I've added the like options to the brush manager, which uses the mode get save state, saved value, and set saved value. Then these like yeah, this basically works the same now. I just changed the like internals. Like it's just the same right now, but yeah, I'm gonna now add a new editor tab, and like yeah, I'll see you after I add this. Okay, see you soon. Oh my god, this has taken so much time. Okay, so let me run take you through the quick rundown of what I did implement. So basically, I've added the button bar and like a, basically a utility to create button bar for myself, and I have all kinds of buttons. The gift button, which is just promoting my Ko-fi, pan toggle, line, curve, retoggle, thickness button, color button, setting, and the finalize button. And all of those with their respective icons and stuff, like here. And I've completely got rid of the pop-up, so there's no more of that. It's just like uses the tab instead. And uh, right now it's basically just that, but still this took a bit too long for my liking. Like, let me show you where am I right now. I might not have time to implement the setting buttons, but okay, like I haven't positioned that yet. But other than that, like this is how it works. Like, oops, yeah, I need to finalize with that. Okay, yeah. So like you just use this and like yeah, that's basically it. And there's the support button, the other buttons, and the brush. And yeah, this is the current UI right now. I'm probably gonna just move it to here, like remove these for now. or like maybe make a pop-up and like to be done like a to-do thingy kind of pop-up. And but other than that, that's it for now. Like, I'll like fix these. Yeah, I'll probably fix these issues and then like come back for the final talk. So yeah, I'll see you in hopefully in a bit, like not 1 hour. Okay, so now I did implement the remaining ones, which is basically the support pop-up, and I just added the settings to the geode settings because I couldn't be bothered to implement the UI for those. So let me just show it to you how this looks like right now. Okay, so when you open here, there's these buttons, like these of all of them open the same setting menu, which yeah, brush width, brush color ID, cure detail, and the free threshold. Basically, line is like line thickness is used for all of them. Like yeah, you can just change them. Uh, curve curve roughness is basically wait no color IDs. I would hope it's self-explanatory. Just use these color IDs. And uh, curve roughness is basically how detailed it is. Like, for example, 0.1 would be very rough, like as you can see. But for example, 2 would be very detailed. And by that logic, it also uses lots of objects. 35. Well, not that much. Like this one's 24 and this one's like 10, 12. Okay. So yeah, it does use more objects. And there's also the brush. Like this is with 0.4, but when you change the free threshold to, let's say, 0.78, sure, it does get kind of rougher. And like if you make it even higher, for example, 1, it's now like very undetailed. And the opposite is true, like for example, 15, let's say, and like let's decrease the width as well. Like this this looks very detailed, but also it right. Maybe I should disable that, right? Okay. And it uses a lot of objects as well. So yeah, that this one's basically it. So I'll just like uh, fix the opening edit pop-up, like change not closing those. And other than that, I've also added this support pop-up, which just opens up my Ko-Fi. And yeah, that's basically it right now. I'll see you soon, hopefully in the next video, which I don't know what will I implement in the next video. Probably like a fill command, but that will be very hard and I haven't done zero research on it yet. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, see you. Bye.